Hey everyone, welcome back to Pixeliota Studio. Today I'm showing you how to generate beautiful artboard-perfect color palette tiles in Adobe Illustrator in one click. Let's get into it. Open the Color Palette Maker script. Pick 2 or 3 colors. Just type in your hex codes or use the color picker. Set how many tiles you want, choose horizontal or vertical layout, and decide if you want it applied to the active artboard or all artboards at once. Hit go, and instantly, smooth, gradient palette tiles fill your artboard perfectly. The script even remembers your last settings, so you can jump straight back in next time. Want to launch Color Palette Maker even faster? Get Endless Scripts, our Illustrator extension that puts all your scripts in one place with a customized icon. One click to run your favorite script. Color Palette Maker is available now from the link in the description. If you pick it up, drop a star rating on Gumroad. It really helps. Like and subscribe for more tools like this. I'll see you in the next one.